My wife dropped her MacBook Air M2, which is newer than mine, while she was sitting on sofa. It slid from the pillow that she was resting it on and fell on the ground. Unfortunately, the carpet was slightly away, so it did get an impact and it fell straight like this. But since it was covered with this plastic case, I thought that nothing would have happened. And I walked up to it, I picked it up, and I was shocked because the case itself had come out and the laptop got a very bad dent on the corner here. And this is unacceptable to me. I cannot work on a laptop like this because it will keep annoying me. So I decided that I will try and fix it. So this is going to be a very raw video of me trying to fix my wife's laptop. I hope I don't mess it up and make it worse because I don't want to buy her a new laptop. So here's my plan. I'm first going to file the edge where it got the dent because it's slightly raised above. So when it is closed, if there's any pressure applied here, then there's a risk that the screen could get damaged. So I don't want that to happen. And to do the filing, I bought this toolkit, which is a stretch because I don't need so many tools. Probably just use one, but it's always good to have these things handy. And the second thing I bought is, obviously I want to get rid of this cheap plastic case that did not protect the laptop with a better quality Spigen one. And I got this from India because it was way too cheaper as compared to the price in Amazon here in UAE. And since it was so cheap, I bought another one for my laptop, again by Spigen, and I will do an unboxing of this as well. And lastly, my plan to fix this completely is to cover this filed part. Of course, after I've done the filing, I want to cover it up because it will be exposed and may not look good. And for that, I bought a sticker that is of the same color, they say. I'll have to still open and see, along with the sticker for the trackpad. This is the sticker. It says it's of the color Midnight, which is the color of the laptop. So I'm hoping that it will be of the same color. But even if it is not, I hope that it covers the portion where I'm going to file the laptop. So let's begin the work and see if I can actually fix it or not. I think this should do. I will also take another one and a flat one maybe. So let's try multiple ones. It is slightly more raised. Let me see if I can clear that off as well. I'm not going to do too much because otherwise I'll make it worse. So I'm going very slow. So yeah, now I can safely say that it is not touching the screen like before. Let me open the palm rest and trackpad protector. It says do not bend or fold. Thankfully it came from India and it didn't get damaged. Let's see what it is inside. And here is the actual sticker or the protector, and wow, not bad, right? It is very close to the color of the laptop. Okay, I think I placed it wrong. So I'm hoping that this edge gets covered. The sticker is thick enough and there is some shine to it. And it's not exactly the color, but it still is very close. I don't think it will look bad if it is placed on the trackpad and the palm rest, but it's about sticking it right. So let me go through their instructions. It can be only applied once Now that's reassuring. Uh, Please make sure to align them as perfectly as possible before adhering to the okay, to the MacBook. Clean the trackpad and palm rest. It is pretty thick. There shouldn't be a problem in applying. So as you see, the trackpad sticker is getting separated, which is good. Okay. Okay, now let me fix the trackpad part. So there's some shine to it, as I mentioned, and I mean the trackpad is responsive for sure. I'm able to see that, you know, the cursor is working fine. It is responsive, but it's not as smooth as the original trackpad feels, because that is glass, right? And there's a sticker on top of glass, so obviously there is some difference, slight friction to it, but well, looks good. All right, now let me open up the Spigen case for the laptop, wrapped in plastic cover. Okay, so both pieces are separate, which is good. Let me start with the bottom piece. It's a lot of protection. Okay, could hear some solid clicks. So of course there are cutouts for the ports on both the sides. Okay, I had to apply some real good pressure to clean this front part. Because I don't want to touch the inside of it. Again, heard a few clicks. Yeah. It is covering the damaged part, so the sticker is covering this side and the case from the inside. Although it's still visible, it's not too bad. So let me know in the comment section what you think, if I was successful in hiding the dent and making it look better than before, or do you guys think if I ruined it or spoiled it further. I think I really like the case. It's very nice, very neat and clean. Looks premium as well. Of course, it's adding some weight to it. I'm sure it's going to protect from further falls. I hope she doesn't drop it again, but if she does, this time I'm pretty confident that it will not impact any side of the laptop, because as you can see, it is completely covered on all sides. Now, as I had mentioned, I bought a case for my laptop as well. This is the MacBook Air M1. So I bought a slightly different one. So this is black, which is of a different material. It feels like thick fabric, but looks very nice. It has a case inside. So again, let me start from the bottom piece by placing it just below. Okay, you'll again hear a lot of clicks. Okay, heard a loud click. I think, yeah, another one. Again, very solid, adds weight to the laptop, of course, but then looks so much different and looks very premium, I would say. I mean, I wouldn't recommend this if you want to carry this for a long time because it adds weight and it doesn't feel like a MacBook Air. But if you're someone who is scared of dropping their laptop or damaging it, or maybe hitting it across walls where the edges would get damaged, then yes, of course, this is a very good one. I would highly recommend. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.